Dear Grade 10 student, welcome. This presentation is meant to help you cover Lesson 1, Unit 7 of Headway Academic Skills 1 book. You need to have your class book, a pen or a pencil, and some sheets of paper or a notebook. By the end of this presentation, you will be able to identify topic sentences and writer's opinion after reading an article using scanning, skimming, and other reading strategies and techniques. To become familiar with the topic of the article you are supposed to read later, here is a pre-reading activity. In your country, where do the food items in the table come from? Are they mainly local? Do they come from outside your country, or both? Check the right box to complete the table. You have 1 minute to do the task. Pause the presentation. These are some possible answers that may match yours. The reading passage contains words that may be new to you. To understand them, you need to use context. What is context? Have a look at the study skill note. Context or context cues are the information we get from pictures or from sentences, phrases, and words surrounding the unknown word or phrase. Here is an example. Check the origins of the food. Perhaps there are apples from California, lamb from New Zealand, or potatoes from Egypt. Origins, the underlined word, means the places where the food comes from, and we got to the meaning of the word origins from the surrounding words, which are California, New Zealand, and Egypt. Now, you have 2 minutes to do the task. Pause the presentation. Compare your answers. Number 1, customer means the person who buys the food. Number 2, available means we can get them. Number 3, imported means coming from other countries. And number 4, disadvantages means some bad things about the system. The reading passage often states the writer's point of view. Have a look at the study skill note. A writer may wish to support an argument, be critical of an argument, or evaluate an argument critically. It's important you can identify the writer's point of view. Look for the number of arguments presented. Are there more for or more against? Are there a balanced number for and against? Opinion and fact can sometimes be confused. A fact is a statement that is true and can be verified objectively or proven. In other words, a fact is true and correct no matter what. An opinion, however, is a statement that holds an element of belief. It tells how someone feels. An opinion is not always true and cannot be proven. You have 2 minutes to do the task. Pause the presentation. Now check your answers. The first sentence, food miles are useful for international trade. This is a fact. Have a look at the highlighted sentence in paragraph 4. The second sentence, it's good that you can eat strawberries in winter. This is opinion. Again, here I invite you to read the highlighted sentence or sentences in paragraph 2. And the last sentence, long journeys by food cause pollution and global warming, and this is a fact. Please read the highlighted sentences in paragraph 4. Here is now an activity to crown what you have learned throughout this presentation. Use the words in the box to complete the summary of the article. You may not be familiar with summaries, so let's go together through the study skill note. A summary gives the main ideas from an article, report, essay, etc. It's much shorter than the original text. It's useful for revision and for remembering the main points. This can be done by paraphrasing information, that is, rewriting information in your own words. Use synonyms whenever possible. And summarizing the information, that is, linking the main points in your own words. When you are required to write a summary of a text, first, identify the main points in the paragraph or text. Then, organize these ideas into a logical order. And finally, rewrite these ideas in simple sentences using linking words. You have 2 minutes to do the task. Pause the presentation. Now check your answers.